and today I'm here with y'all to explain how to fix a weak side and how to fix a weak side and make your weak side your strong side. So if y'all look here, man, right here, this is my weak side, my right side. You think that I'd be right-handed, that my weak side would be my left side, but it's the complete opposite. See right here, it just not right. It's I've been working, but put up some brush work right here, working on the connections right there. But the connections are not that good right there. And then if you look at it from a different angle, if you look at it in a picture, they don't feed into my front as good as I do. See, let's look at the left side. See the left side right here, man? Man, I got, you know what I'm saying? This is my strong side. You know, we still got some force right here. We got a couple force in there. But see, I just swoop, swoop, swoop. Perfect circle, man. Just feeds into my front. Very nice. So I'm gonna show y'all how to fix a weak side. So what you need to do to fix your weak side is very simple. There's no method. There's nothing you can put in your hair. You know, do this trick. No, I'm gonna be straight up with y'all. Change your brush angle. Okay, that's right. Change the way that you brush your hair on that weak side. See, I used to brush just like this. This is how I used to be brushing. Kind of down, no. Another thing, how to bring your sides is just instead of brushing straight down, you gotta change your brush angle and just change it. All right. So you need to be brushing down to the sideburn area instead of down like this. You need to be brushing like this. I used to be brushing down like this. That's what made this side my weak side. But instead, bam, it's down like this. Bam, 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 bam. You know, and then we get here is you can also vertical brush. The vertical brush angles are just the same that you would brush any other. Okay, another thing is that you can also do that really gets you progress a little bit faster. It's not going to speed it up drastically. But a better way of brushing is vertical brushing. Now I said it in the last previous clip, but what vertical brushing is basically turning your brush vertically. Okay, very simple. It's in the name. Turn your brush vertically. So instead of brushing what I call sideways, you know, you brush like this, just change it and brush like this. You know what I'm saying? I really don't want to brush my hair because I just washed my hair yesterday and did the after wash method. You know what I'm saying? 25 likes and I'll show y'all what to do after you wash your hair. But this is basically what you do. Well, not how you wash your hair, but what you should do after you wash your hair. So anyway, basically it's like this. That's how you vertical brush right there. Bam, 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 bam. You know what I'm saying, dude? You really only want a vertical brush on the side, especially right here and maybe right here. But the rest is kind of hard to vertical brush. But yeah, that's another way that you could help break the weak side. And also something else, man. This thing right here, this John right here, man. A good old-fashioned comb. Now you change the way you brush, you also have to change the way you comb. You know what I'm saying? Train your hair through brushing and combing the way you want your waves. This way, whatever way you want to do, just comb your hair that way. Brush your hair that way, you know what I'm saying, dude? Don't keep combing the same way. Change your comb angle, you know what I'm saying? Even change your plastic bag angle.